Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about the story protocol airdrop. So they actually collaborated with Binance to actually give a airdrop to the participants and the people who are going to be engaging through their airdrop. So over here guys, on this video I will be making it very snappy and very simple so that you can go through it very simply, and also I'll be putting you through all the required steps that you need to take and how you can be able to go through them. Do not skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch it to the end, because at the end we are going to be talking about how to mint the commemorative badge, which is what actually signifies that you actually participated on the airdrop. It is way too simple, and right now watch out, do not skip any part of this video guys. So I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel guys I present you guys all about cryptocurrency. I teach you about airdrop, and I also help you resolve most of your crypto related problems on this channel. Also, we have a ton giveaway which we run on this channel, so to be part of it, all you have to do is very simple. Simply make sure that you are subscribed to this channel first, and also make sure you like this video you are watching right now, and finally you make sure that you have shared this video and also put your comment on the comment section, because from the comment section is where we actually pick our winners and do announce them on our Telegram. All the link will be on the video description box. So right now, to get started with the airdrop, the first thing that you actually need to do right now is to go ahead and make sure that your Binance app is up to date, because we are going to be using our Binance app to actually participate on this airdrop. So once your Binance is up to date, then you go ahead and launch it. So over here guys, the first thing that you need to do right now is to simply go ahead and click on assets down here. Once you click on asset, then you go ahead and click on this wallet right here. Okay, you click on the wallet. So this is going to be taking you to the wallet section, that is Web3 wallet on your Binance app. So once you are taken right here, you are going to be required to either import your wallet or you go ahead and just set it up if you haven't set it up yet. Alright guys, so once the wallet section on your Binance app opens up, this is the first thing that you're going to see. So from here now, what you need to do right now is simply look at the center of your screen. You're going to be seeing exclusive airdrop. Right now you can see join story campaign to win a share of 444,000 IP across 5 quests. So right now you click on join now. So this is going to be taking you to another web page whereby you need to actually join the campaign for real, and then you go ahead and complete some certain tasks. So over here guys, what you need to do here is very simple, and after doing this you can see that your reward is going to be 88,888 IP. So right now you click on join campaign. So this will load up right now, and all this button will become live right now. Time you go ahead and complete all these little tasks right here. Then after that, then you go ahead and complete the ecosystem project quest. So I will go ahead and do them right now quickly. Right now I'm done completing all these quests right now. So right now I will go ahead and click on complete the ecosystem project quest. So right now I'll click on it right now. Okay, so right now guys, you can see complete at least one application quest beyond the story foundation social task to qualify for the 88,808 world reward pool. So right now I will go ahead and click on complete now. Once you click on complete now, this is going to be taking you to another section of the page whereby you need to do some certain stuff that are way too easy and simple. So right now guys, you can see this is a total different one right now, because there are actually 2 quests that you are completing right now. So this is the second one. So you need to do all this before you will go ahead and then talk about how you can be able to mint the badge. So right now some of you may be asking, how relevant is this airdrop? Let me show you guys something real quick. So over here guys, on the X account of the story protocol, let me show you guys something right now. So over here guys, you can see these guys over here have about 500,000 followers right now. When you click over here guys on the people that are following them, that I'm following as well, you can see that they are being followed by a lot of top men right here. You can see they are being followed by the Mantra and Rarible, which is the NFT marketplace, Safe Power Wallet, a whole lot of cool people. You can see this is the founder of Throne is following this project. Over here you can see a lot of people are down here, and this is also the founder of Over Protocol are also following this project, and you can see a lot of top guys right here are following this project. These are just a minimum, like a little of what this project is all about guys. So this is a very good one, and you should not joke with it for any reason guys. Do not miss out on this. So over here right now, go below the video description you are watching right now, check out the video description to actually get the link to participate on this airdrop. So right now I have to join this campaign right now. I will click on join campaign. So right now I have joined this campaign right now. The button will become live right now. I need to go ahead and of course complete all these tasks real quick before I will then go ahead and click right now that says stability AI activation. So right now I will go ahead and complete the task real quick. Right now I have completed all these quests right now, as simple as it is. So right now I will go ahead and click on stability AI activation. I will click on complete. So right now, guys, you can see this is it right now. Get IP token from faucet can take a few minutes actually. So right now you go to this website to get the faucet to get the token. So right now you go to this website right now, and of course complete some certain tasks right there. Then you go ahead and mint your NFT. Way too easy and simple, right? So right now I will click on complete right now. So this is gonna be taking me to another website where I need to, I think, claim my some token from the faucet before I will then go ahead and of course proceed with the minting of the badge after completing some few more tasks. So all these are automated and straightforward. So once you just click on the link on my video description, it will take you to our Telegram channel whereby you need to actually join to get the latest information about crypto. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. It literally means the whole world to me. So right now we are on a different website right now. We need to connect our Binance account. So you go ahead and click on connect. So this is going to be bringing you this option of Binance. Then you click on Binance right now, and of course your wallet will be connected ASAP, guys. So you can see our wallet is now connected. So right now what you need to do right now is simply go to this website right now to get token. So right now you click on testnet faucet. Sorry, you click on get token. So once you click on get token, then this is going to be actually taking you to the website right now. You can see once you just click on it, it will take you to this website where you need to actually get some tokens. So right now you need to actually connect your wallet again. Just give it a try. You click on connect. So you, of course, you select Binance. Okay, guys, so after connecting your wallet successfully, then you go ahead and click on this box right here to actually prove that you are a human. But before that, you can also go ahead and check this out right here, which says that you must have a minimum of 0.01 Ethereum on your balance. That is your Binance Web3 wallet, or you must have 0.01 BNB on your balance before you can then qualify to be able to claim this faucet testnet token that you can actually use to run your mint your badge and all that. So right now, because I already have 0.01 BNB on my Binance Web3 wallet, so I will go ahead and click on verify. And after this is verified, then you click on claim token, and your token will be claimed immediately. So right now I'm going to be doing it real quick. And over here right now, you can see that I have already claimed for today, so I cannot be able to claim anymore. Right now, I have to wait after 24 hours, then I can then go ahead and claim. So I just claimed it just 2 minutes ago. So right now, I will go back right now, and let me go to the next step right here. So once you get back, then the next step is for you to actually go ahead and watch movie right here. You watch this little video right here. So we go ahead and open it. So right now, guys, this video actually contains some piece of information that you are going to be using to actually answer the question that they are going to be asking you on the next step. Right now that I am done watching the movie, then I will go ahead and answer this question. So I think the best answer is this one right here. So right now you can see the answer is correct. Remember, you have a little time to actually do this, which is from the 3rd of January 2025 to 5th of February 2025, guys. So right now, guys, we are ready, and you can see complete step to claim badge. So right now that I haven't completed the step, let me check if there's something that I haven't done here yet, but I think I have done all this thing right here. So I think maybe because I didn't watch the movie completely, so right now I will go ahead and watch this movie again with you right here. So right now, watch closely. All right, so right now I have completely watched the movie correctly. So you allow the movie to finish before you close it, okay? So right now, guys, I will go ahead and then claim my badge right now. So it wasn't really an easy something right here. So I actually went through a lot, but before you know it right now, you'll be through with us. So don't be lazy about this. So right now, you are now going to be using the token that you actually claimed for that I show you how to claim on this video to actually claim this badge. So right now I will click on confirm. Right now I need to input my password. Then it is way too easy and way too simple like this. Then my badge will be claimed successfully. Remember, if you didn't claim this badge, then it simply means that you did not actually complete the task completely, okay? So guys, right now you can see that we are now done completely with this airdrop. You need to make sure you follow the same exact process that I took before you can be able to get this airdrop on your own phone, okay? So right now, guys, it is way too simple, and right now we have a successful call right now, and right now we are done with the process of actually getting to claim this airdrop. So thank you guys for watching. I believe you got a value out of this video. If you have any question, let me know on the comment section. And the only question I think that you may find after watching this video is concerning your the Binance and its geographical policies and all that. They might tell you that you are not qualified to actually go through this because of your geographical location. You can simply go ahead and use VPN, or you can also go ahead and keep on coming back again until you're done with the whole thing. So that's how I was able to pass mine. So thank you for watching, and let me know what you think on the comment section. Do not forget to join our tone giveaway on this video. Thank you, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace.